let's move on and talk about Indian equities, and we do have Kunal and Nooresh with us as well. Kunal, when you're looking at it, yesterday we did manage to see a jump up in the markets and then managed to close just around a flat line. What should one expect today from the Nifty? Where should we see it headed? As of now, implied open is indicating surely a positive start, but what should we watch out for?
Yeah, good morning. So, no meaningful change in the data on the indices, Nifty and the Bank Nifty in terms of open interest. I think it was just 0.5% to 1% odd percentage drop for the OI for the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. But I think the data is now very, very strong across the globe because Dow is now just 500 points away from hitting for the first time 40,000 mark. The Nasdaq is, I think, 100 points away from its previous major 52-week highs. So across the globe, there has been a very strong resurgence which has come back. And many of the indices are coming after almost 1 month of consolidation for themselves. Now, if you look at our markets also, we've been stuck into this 3% to 3.5% range from 22,500 on the upside to 21,750, 800, which we tested yesterday. So this indicates that we could now get back into a potential, retest of the previous highs. So bullish on the indices, 21,700, 750 range, which we discussed few days back also. That range held on to the indices, and I would expect that the markets from here on should build on a strong case of a decent upside or at least a retest of 22,500, if not a break above those levels.
Nooresh, the Nifty implied open is already indicating that it's going to be a start around that 22K mark. Having said that, small caps once again declined for a 9th consecutive session yesterday. Nifty remained at a 1-month low, and also sectors like metals, pharma, IT, all of them were key laggards. Where do you see leadership coming in from if we were to sustain the bounce today?
So in the broader markets, metals as a pack look very interesting because we've started seeing base metal prices recover. We've seen copper go above the $4 mark. You're seeing silver, gold, and a lot of other commodities slowly shaping up. So the whole basket, whether it is SAIL, NALCO, or the larger names like Tata Steel, that is a basket which can take leadership going forward. So that's a trade which is there for the next 3-6 months. So that's a area which I continue to like. In terms of the overall markets, we've bounced back from the 21,600, 800 mark. And that's a good case for a slow and steady recovery. Also, globally, it's been a clear breakout move in a lot of indices. So the bias is positive. We could actually surprise on the upside today. And next week, given that it's a curtailed week, that's a case wherein we'll see some volatility last day of the month, end of the year, etc. But overall, the bias is positive. From this base of 21,600, 800, we could again go back and test 22,200 at least to start with.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.